Sure. Firstly, I feel really inspired by learning more about the emotional culture deck and how I might be able to use it with myself and my family and also in the workplace. And really energised by Lottie's delivery. From the moment we got in here, we were using the deck and learning off each other. I think my favourite part was learning how flexible and versatile the deck is itself. You know, I could take it home and I could use it myself in my personal life or with my family, and also use it at lots of different levels within the workplace. So with a team, with an organisation, and also with external stakeholders. What really surprised me about the workshop was how easily people can start talking about their emotions by using the deck itself. It's like a prompt that helps people open up. Yeah, I think everybody could benefit from coming to this workshop. The more, as a society, we are able to talk about our emotions, the more rich our relationships become and the more effective our workplaces are.